मारुति मीडिया एवं उत्कल चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री मिलित भाव एक फिनविजन ओडिशा गोटे फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी उपरे कर्मशाला आयोजन करा जायथिला एवं चारिटा फाइनेंशियल सेक्टर उपरे आम एतरे गुरुत्व देइथलु। प्रथम है बैंकिंग, तापर फाइनेंस, तापर है म्यूचुअल फंड एंड स्टॉक्स, लास्ट सेशन थिला इंश्योरेंस उपरे। जो माने एंटरप्रेन्योर अछंती तांकर फाइनेंशियल जो लिटरेसी उपरे, फाइनेंशियल इनक्लूसिव उपरे आउरी तांको ध्यान आकर्षण करिथिबो से माने ताको नै कि निजको निज बिजनेस को बढ़ाई पारिबे। तेणु ए विषय रे हमको जहाँ आम रिकमेंडेशन रहिबो ता सरकार को आगे निश्चय आम ताको सबमिट करिवो एवं आशा करूछु कि सरकार ए दिगरे उचित पदक्षेप नेबे।
If Odisha has to become prosperous and grow from here even further, then the only way that can happen is by financial inclusion, where we cover every person in Odisha, not only in the big cities, but in the smaller cities, in the towns, in the districts, in the panchayats. And that is what FinVision's larger aim is. This is just one initiative to bring about a little bit of awareness on this subject.
FinVision is very important for insurance companies to participate and also make sure that this awareness is created first in the influencers and then of course emane au agu ko bahut disseminate karibe nijo companies re nijo circles re. That is very essential jodi ame 2036 jange Odisha re insurance for all kariya ko cha mate bahut bhal lagila ethi asiki au I'm sure ei bhale auri bahut forum re ame as Aviva as a company we would love to participate. Thank you.
This is a very welcome step and thanks to UCCI, thanks to Maruti Media, they have brought all the industry stalwarts in a single platform and semane tanko different topics upar deliberate karichandi, corporate finance upare, banking system upare, tapare investments into mutual funds, investment into equities, tapare ame NPS bisare kahichu, retirement product upare kahichu. So somewhere we can see that it is a very great step being taken by UCCI Maruti Vision gote public platform re gote awareness aniya pai, and definitely this is very good.
If you have a dream and a vision to build something bigger and we see that you have the spark in you to actually go and execute it, then there is enough capital that's available via VC, PE routes. So what is required is I'm going to throw the ball in your court. You need to think bigger, dream bigger, and that's where you're going to be able to actually get some very interesting capital that will follow you.
When we look at regulated industries like finance or healthcare, cybersecurity is very important. It concerns money. Today, because of AI, because of large-scale automation in the process, if there is any mishap, any breach which happens, it impacts very quickly, rapidly, and large number of people. FinVision is very innovative effort, particularly to spread financial literacy, and also like created awareness about the technology and also the security aspects of financial transactions.
FinVision Odisha करिवार पर्पज होउची ओडिशा रे जो विकसित ओडिशा 2036 प्लान करा जायछि। ओडिशा विकसित हबो केमिति यदि आर्थिक दृष्टि विकास हबो ताहले विकसित हबो। आमे मारुति मीडिया तरफरु उत्कल चैम्बर ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड इंडस्ट्री सहायता रे ए कॉन्क्लेव टी कलु। 2 दिनिया ए कॉन्क्लेव टी थिला। ओडिशा छड़ा ओडिशा रो बाहरु भारतर विभिन्न प्रांतरू मुंबई रु दिल्ली रु कलकत्ता रु स्पीकर माने आस्तिले सेमानक योगदान सेमानकर तो तांकर रहितिला प्रेजेंटेशन खूब उच्च कोटिर थिला।
Lot of industrialists, business people, trading community, everybody is suffering for funds. They are not getting proper channels. So ame conclave kariyaro objective hochi industry, business community emanku support gote milu, gote guidance milu, gote route map milu. Amaro e सब cover hi gela banking sector, insurance sector, government MSME sector, government ru भी आस्तिले एमन समस्त total guideline देइछन। सो आम भावुँ ये आगामी दिन में ये बहुत भल माने गोटे होप एंड रूट गोटे देव ऑल बिजनेस।